Now let's come back and start with the next type of distinguishing test, where they've asked us to distinguish between phenol. Done. They've asked us to distinguish between 1-phenyl ethanol. Okay, see here, 1-phenyl ethanol, 2 carbons. Here, and we have benzyl alcohol, where the alcoholic group OH group is attached to benzene ring with the CH2 group, not directly attached. So it is benzyl alcohol. When I have to see, the first type of test is litmus test. So compared to these two alcohols, phenol is acidic in nature. So what is it going to do? It's going to turn blue litmus red. Right, done. Here, no, negative, this is negative. Done. So when I have to see the neutral FeCl3 test, which is a characteristic test of phenols, and these two will not show. So I'm going to write this is negative and this also is negative. So how is the neutral FeCl3 test performed? I'm going to take phenol, and to this I'm going to take 3 moles of phenol. I'm going to add neutral FeCl3 to this. Then what do I get? These 3 hydrogens from here and chlorine from here comes out as 3HCl. And what do you have? You have left with a compound called how many? 3. So this is thrice. And your Fe comes and attaches here. What is this called? This compound is called ferric phenoxide. Ferric phenoxide, and the color of this whole thing, this will be violet in color. So this is no effect. Done. Let's come back to the third test. The third test is iodoform test. So you know iodoform, you're going to add iodine along with an alkali. So here phenol will not show because that is not either a methyl ketone, or you don't have OH where it is attached to this in carbon in this way. So phenol, no reaction. Iodoform, it will not respond. So when I have to write the iodoform test, this is going to show because it is attached to this carbon. So how should I write iodoform? I'm going to pick up this alcohol, sorry, the phenol, CH3, you have adjacent methyl group, isn't it? Done. So now this particular compound, when you are going to add sodium hydroxide, I've already explained this reaction many number of times. What's the video in alcohols or phenols where I've explained about iodoform test. Now what is this going to form? It's going to form an yellow color PPT called CHI3. This is iodoform. And what do you get? You also get as we have seen earlier we have got sodium formate. Here you're going to get this one, and other than that you have NaI plus water. This is the standard thing which I am writing n number of times. This reaction, this is an yellow color PPT which is formed. Now when I have to see this compound, will it respond or not? Here it has adjacent methyl group, that's why it is responding to iodoform. Here there is no adjacent methyl group, so it will not show no reaction. So this is a distinguishing test between phenol, 1-phenyl ethanol and benzyl alcohol.